morning, Grammar 6. This morning we're going to be doing lesson 108, which is transformations. And transformations is a pretty cool thing to study. It's not that difficult. It's just this idea that when you have two figures that are congruent, that means that they are the same dimensions. One way that you can tell if they are the same dimension is by moving the triangle so that they are literally laying on top of one another. And there's different ways that you can do that. So if you notice on page, well, not on your page, page 580 for you, just the first page, you'll see these two right triangles. They look the same, but we're not going to be able to tell if they're congruent unless we can put them right on top of one another. So the way that we're going to do that is we are going to rotate or turn the triangle ABC, which is this triangle right here, 90 degrees counterclockwise. We're going to turn it about this right angle, which means we're going to move side AC all the way up here, and then we are going to slide it, which is another it's a translation, or we're going to slide the triangle so that AC aligns with XZ. You'll see it up here on the next page. Next, we're going to reflect, which means we're going to flip the triangle over angle B so that angle B is positioned on top of angle Y. So what you just did were three different movements called excuse me, transformations. The first one we did was we rotated, then we did a slide, which is a translation, and then we did a reflection, which is like a flipping over. The three different kinds are down here in this table, which is a really great table to memorize. And then we're going to do an activity. So you're going to need to get scissors, pencil, and paper, and then you're going to cut out a pair of triangles, congruent triangles, as follows. So you're going to follow the directions. And then what you're going to do is you're going to move them around using those three principles: rotation, translation, and reflection. And then I want you to go ahead and answer these practice questions and then hop on over to your problem set. Honestly, this the activity is really crucial, so please do it because it will help you memorize the different types of transformations there are. So that is all that we are doing today, and then tomorrow you're going to do lesson 109, and I think that, let me flip in the actual book, it's corresponding parts. Hey, there it is. So we're going to be doing lesson 109 tomorrow, which is a really great lesson, and then 110 for class on Thursday together. So hope you guys are doing well. Looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.